introduction to the integral symbol. Again, this just means it's between its previous node and the next node up. Since we're going to infinity, it's not going to matter.
It could be placed anywhere, though, right? It's just you're using that as a reference point?
It's just placed somewhere between. So today we're going to spend figuring out how to do this. And then the rest of the time, we're just going to go straight to this. Let me talk about this notation for a second. The sum starts with an S, right? There's a cursive S. So instead of using the S like this, here to sum things up, they use a capital S in the Greek alphabet, which is a sigma. Okay, that's where we get that from. Eventually, we get this weird-looking S, and we call this an integral symbol. So they're all S's for summation. All right. I've avoided it long enough. Let's do one. Or two, or three. All right. Use the book's example. And the integral is going to be from 0 to 3. Yes. That's a 6. Would you please find delta x? Do you have the formula? No, just keep it in. So delta x is b minus a over n. In our case, is going to be 3 over n. Now, if I want the node points, I'm going to get a plus delta x times I. A is what in this case?
0.
0. So delta x is 3 over n, so 3 over n times I. Make sure your neighbor understands where I'm getting this stuff from.
So
I'm going to go really
sub I is the other formula, right? That you erased, right?
Which one?
The A sub I one, like that's the other formula. I'm sorry, X sub I.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to do it this way for you. How are we doing? So we have our x value. I'm going to go to here now. What's I, Professor? I is a counting number. It starts at 1, then it goes to 2, then it goes to 3, all the way up until we hit n. And eventually we'll send n off to infinity. Use the game one. So f of x is f of x. did was this. If you've not taken this class before, you should be in sort of a what on earth is happening right now.
Yeah, I'm there with you.
First time you see this, it's just kind of mind-boggling. It's like, what is happening? Yes?
Where did you get everything?
Represents the distance between each point.
No, it does not. 3 over n represents the distance between each point. This is just a counter. This is the first, so x of 1 is going to start plus x of 2 plus x of 3, and so on. So it's just a counter. I'm kind of surprised you haven't seen, some of you have not seen the summation notation before? Okay, let me back up for a second and introduce that. Yeah. Because we defined what our x variable is